Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can possibly reset the S15i. So the first thing is that the person just wrote here already, it made it to help you. So I took a picture. Regardless, if you're standing in front of the bike, looking at the back of the monitor, look at the top edge of the monitor. So you want to look on the top edge. About 4 inches from the left end of the monitor, you should see a small hole on the top of the edge. So maybe it's going to look like even this, that you're gonna have it and it's going to be like above it, and you just want to find a small pinhole. And what you want to do is that you want to take a paper clip, you want to turn it off out of the outlet, you want to insert it into the pinhole, press and hold, then you want to plug it back in, and we want to still hold it there into the pinhole, and then the screen is going to start and you got it. So super simple, and that's how you can do it. So yeah, thank you very much for watching and hope you're having a great day, and goodbye.